Have you ever wondered why ice melts on a warm day or how a hot cup of cocoa cools down over time? The answers lie in the fascinating world of heat. Introduction. Hello, young physicists. Welcome to Mind Over Physics. Today, we're exploring heat, a branch of physics that helps us understand how energy moves from warmer objects to cooler ones. What is heat? Heat is a form of energy that makes things warm. It moves from something hot to something cold. For example, when you hold a warm cup of cocoa, heat travels from the cup to your hands, making them feel warm. How does heat travel? Heat moves in three main ways. 1. Conduction. What is it? Conduction is the transfer of heat through direct contact. When two objects touch, heat flows from the warmer one to the cooler one. Example. Think about holding a hot mug of cocoa. The heat from the mug warms your hands through conduction. 2. Convection. What is it? Convection is the transfer of heat by the movement of liquids or gases. Warm parts of the liquid or gas rise, while cooler parts sink, creating a cycle. Example. When heating a pot of soup, the warm soup rises to the top, and the cooler soup sinks to the bottom, ensuring even heating. 3. Radiation. What is it? Radiation is the transfer of heat through electromagnetic waves, without needing direct contact. Example. Feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin, even though you're millions of miles away, is due to radiation. Interesting fact. Did you know that the Eiffel Tower can grow up to about 6 inches taller in the summer? That's because the heat makes the iron expand. Funny fact. Here's a funny fact. If you heat a magnet, it will lose its magnetism. So, if your fridge magnets aren't sticking during a heat wave, you might know why. Conclusion. Understanding heat helps us grasp why things warm up or cool down in our daily lives, from cooking food to staying warm in winter. Thanks for joining us on Mind Over Physics. If you enjoyed this exploration of heat, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting physics adventures.